Al-Miqdad bin al-Aswad radiyallahu anhu, he said, I do not judge or I do not say anything about anyone good or evil حتى يختم له, until I see how his life ended. They said, why? Why would you do that? They said, because I heard Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam say that the heart of the son of Adam is more flipping than water in a pot that is boiling rapidly. So Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam told us, Iman wears out in your heart, just like clothing wears out. So ask Allah, لِيُجَدِّدِ الْإِيمَانِ فِي قُلُوبِكُمْ. Ask Allah to refresh, to renew, to revive the Iman in your hearts. So we can derive a dua from this hadith. Allahumma jaddid al-Iman fi qalbi. And last hadith, subhanallah, Anas radiallahu anhu, he said, I found out that the most dua that Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam made was Ya muqallib al-qulub, thabbit qalbi ala dinik. Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam guaranteed Jannah, the doors of Jannah will not open to anyone before him. His most dua, O turner of the hearts, keep my heart steadfast on your deen. So Anas said, Ya Rasulullah, we have believed in everything that you believed in you and with everything that you came with. Are you worried about us? He said, Naam. Yes, I am worried. So he asked us to keep making the dua, and we mentioned already two signs of al-qalb al-salim. The first sign is that this qalb hates anything that is not pleasing to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And second sign is that this heart is free from hatred, jealousy, shirk, envy, you name it. The pure heart. This is one of the signs that your heart is salim. The owner of the heart hates when he misses ibadah. He feels like he lost a major deal if he misses jama'ah. Listen to this hadith, Sahih al-Bukhari. Whomsoever leave Asr on purpose, his amal, his actions are multiplied by 0. So the owner of this heart not only misses the salat completely, no. If he misses the jama'ah, he feels so bad. This is the first level. And then not only that, the owner of that heart looks forward for the salat. And not only that, listen to the highest level. He feels the most joy when he is performing the salat.
Are you tired of all these annoying ads on YouTube? Are you worried that a haram video might pop up? Well, the One Islam TV app is here to solve these problems, inshallah. The One Islam TV app is 100% free of any ads and is safe to browse for your peace of mind. Watch or listen to lectures and lessons while you work, rest, or drive with your device switched off. Watch videos on demand or download videos and watch offline. Watch hundreds of high-quality produced Islamic reminders, Quran learning videos, stories of the prophets, and so much more. 2 to 4 new videos uploaded daily, inshallah. One Islam TV is 100% run and owned by Muslims, which means a small amount you pay for your subscription is a SADAQAH JARIYAH, continuous charity for you, as we use the funds raised to continue producing more beneficial videos and reminders, inshallah. The One Islam TV app is now available on Apple devices, Apple TV, Android devices, Android TV, Amazon Fire TV, and Roku, so you can watch on most devices and smart TVs. Download now for a free 7-day trial. May Allah reward you for supporting our work.